Hey everyone, I am Trikam Devasi. Today I am solving LeetCode problem number 1108, defanging an IP address with C++ solution. Ever wondered how to convert an IP address like 1.11 into like this? This is one of the easiest LeetCode string problems and can be solved in just one pass. Let's do it in C++. We are given a valid IPv4 address as a string. Our task is to replace every dot with this. This modified string is called the defanged IP address. The idea is very straightforward. We will create a new string, then we will scan the original string character by character. If the current character is a dot, we will add this, otherwise we will simply copy the character. Let's look at the code. First we create an empty string result and empty. This string will store our final answer. Now we traverse every character in the address. For this, a for loop will be used. This loop visits every character one by one. Now we check whether the current character is a dot. If c equal to dot, if it is, we append result plus equals to dot in brackets. Otherwise, result plus equals to c. We simply add the current character to our answer. By the end of the loop, every dot has been replaced by this. Let's test it. Test it with this. Start with an empty string. Read 1, add 1. Read dot, add this. Read 1, add 1. Again read, add dot. Repeat the same process for the remaining characters. The final output becomes like this, exactly as required. We, we visit every character only once, so the time complexity is O of n. We create a new output string, so the space complexity is O of n. And that's it. A simple one-pass string solution that's perfect for beginners and code interviewers. If the explanation helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more LeetCode C++ solutions. I will see you in the next one.